guys, welcome back to my channel. Yuka here. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Yuka living in Tokyo. So everyone, the other day I took a trip to Enoshima Island, which is located in Kanagawa Prefecture. Yeah, so Kanagawa Prefecture is right next to Tokyo. So from Tokyo to Enoshima Island, it's only like an hour and a half trip. So it's very easy to go, but also this island has very beautiful, sceneries, beaches, and also street food. Yes, so I'd like to share what I did. Okay, so let's go. So what makes Enoshima trip special is that you can take a train which is very nostalgic and kind of old fashioned train which is called Enoden. Yes, do you like trains, taking trains? I am not big fan of trains, but I got so excited to take this train. Yeah, this is like each train has only 4 cars, and this train Enoden has only one line, which is like maximum 34 minutes to from the beginning station to the end station. Very short distance, but still it's so beautiful. You can see the beautiful sceneries there. Yeah, so let's take train to Enoshima. At Enoshima station, and there are some restaurants, cafes, and shops around the station. I'm getting hungry. Let's see what we are going to have. Let's cross the bridge. Yeah, the palm trees are very beautiful, and the sky is so blue. Perfect weather. Yeah, for me, I grew up in the city, so palm trees are very special. How about you guys? Are they special for you too? Enoshima, you cannot miss wheatie bait. It's very popular food in Enoshima, and if you are lucky, you can eat raw wheatie bait. Depending on the weather, you cannot find raw wheatie bait. And by the way, wheatie bait in Japanese we call it shirasu. Yes. going up to the train, and the approach to the train has lots of tempting things. Yeah, I think I'm going to have something. So this area is famous for its denim as well. So that's why they sell, denim pork bun. Yes, the taste was okay, but the color was unique because blue is normally said that it reduces people's appetite. Yeah, did you feel like eating? Do you wanna eat this denim pork bun? Yes. Yes, so now let's go up to the train. There is another attraction on the hill which is called Sea Candle. Yeah, sounds romantic, isn't it? Yes, it's a observatory. You can see stunning scenery from there. Worth going for sure. You cannot miss sweets, of course. How about eating some ice cream? It can definitely, make your hot body cool down. So after Enoshima, I highly recommend you to stop by at Kamakura High School Station. Yes, the platform is very close to the ocean. Yes, I'm definitely it is one of my most favorite stations. So beautiful. that's all for my Enoshima trip. Yeah, I think it's very good way to feel the summer. So nice, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And also, if you have some thoughts, questions, please leave me your comments. And if you like this video, please hit like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Alright, that's all. Thank you very much. See you next time.